to you from Bouncy. Come on, let us explore how different things can be created using materials lying around at home and other places. Welcome to Kuttucherry, a small village in Kerala. Sahil and Shyam are here to stay with their grandmother for the summer.
Hello children, I'm so glad to see you.
Hello, Grandma.
The boys spent their first 2 days exploring the house and getting pampered by their grandmother. But on the third day, they ran out of things to do.
I'm bored. Me too. There are no toys here, and no TV, and no park.
Boys, you don't need toys or the TV. This is an old house and has lots of interesting things lying around. Make up a game with what you find. Go on.
So the boys hunted for things to play with, and to their surprise, they found so many. These are some of the things they found. Let us see what they did with these. If you are Sahil and Shyam, what will you use these materials for? Wow! Isn't this amazing? Sahil and Shyam have used the old items beautifully to make fun playthings. The old blanket has become a tent. The cardboard box has been made into a rocket. The old sari has become a hammock to sleep in. The empty coconut shells are now pots. The boys had a wonderful summer in their new play area. They made up games. They pretended they were pirates fighting off a sea monster. They used their cardboard rocket to shoot off into space. They took great care of their coconut shell plants. They gave these as a gift to their grandmother at the end of their trip. They read books and lazed around in the hammock. They had the best holiday ever. As you can see, Shyam and Sahil were very creative in coming up with different uses for old things. Let us see how good you are. Take a look at the things you see here. Think of 2 different uses for each item. Here are some alternative uses for the old things. Do they match with your ideas? If you think a little, you can come up with many creative ideas on how to use the things around you. Good luck!